Hi, my name is Toney, and I'm an independent stylist with Lilla Rose. And today I just want to show you a new style that I just came across using bobby pins for kind of what I'm calling a wrapped hair flip pony. And first off, I'm going to show you that I have another bobby pin in right now. And I've got other tutorials on ways to do that, but I want to show you on how to take your bobbies out. Lilla Rose bobbies are like no other bobbies in that they are extremely strong, and it's all they hold with one bobby, oftentimes replacing 6 other traditional bobbies. So I'm going to show you, put your thumb on the end, put your fingers up here to squeeze that hair down, kind of opens up the pin, just squeeze that up, and then you pull the hair out. And then before you take it completely away, just stick your thumbnail in there and pull it away. That way you don't lose any hair when you take the bobbies out. But that's how well they hold. But so what I'm going to start, if you've seen some of my other tutorials, you may have seen the ponytail wrap with our U-pins and flexies. You can do this with a lot of our different products, even our sticks, and with bobbies. But this is a little twist on that particular ponytail size or style. So what you're going to do, I'm going to be using, I'll first show you the bobbies I'm going to use. I just love these. I think they go with my festive shirts that I've got on today. They're just kind of sparkly, and we have those, and I love those. And the design is all the way around the pin. Now the other one I had, which was our Starburst, I was hiding the pin, which was that bobby pin hair hack that I had before. So you just see the decorative part. With this one, you want the whole pin to show, and we have several with the beaded that are individually wire beaded on the whole way. So really strong. But this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to set them, actually I'm going to put them on my pants here so I don't lose it. Okay, all right, so I am going to show you, you're going to start with a low ponytail, and you're going to section out a little bit of hair from underneath. Okay, so I'm just going to pull that down, not a ton, but just about that much, and it can vary depending on your thickness of hair. As to how much you pull out. It's up to you. So I'm going to leave that out. Then I'm going to take this hair and I'm going to flip it up. So I just have a loop of hair here. Now you can do it with this way with the tails up, which is what I'm going to do, or you can also do it maybe for a cleaner look with the tails underneath, and then you'll wrap it and leave that drop bun look. So either way, but for today I'm going to do it with the tails up. Make sure I'm still in the center. You can see that. Okay, so I have that kind of gathered up in that loop there. I don't want a ton of tails because I want my pins to show, so I want that to kind of come down. Now I'm going to take this wrapped hair and I just give it a little bit of a twist to keep it together, and then I'm going to wrap it around. I hardly got any. We'll see if this works. I just did this style, so we'll see. But you just have to create a little bit of a band. If your hair's thicker, you can have a bigger band. Then, oops, forgot to put them there. Okay, this is the tricky part because they are so strong. So you want to open up the pin, and I'm going to slide that pin along that band. I'm going to take the other one because I like more bling. You can go do it with just one, but I think it looks nice with the two. And then kind of can pull this out, separate it out a little bit. And now what I like to do, if you have not tried the Lilla Rose Rose Water, it is amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those ends and I'm going to spray that just to kind of tame any frizz, and they kind of curl up. And it's also conditioning your hair at the same time. But so it's kind of like a drop if it turned out right. You can see those there. Now you can choose more subtle pins. We've got some very subtle with little bows, and you would see the pin part, but that's okay. And if you want to put them in 2 different directions, you can see the bows at different ends. So you can do different amounts of the flare on the bobbies. You can do different amounts of hair. Like I said, you can tuck it under. So there's a lot of variation with this style, but that holds all day. I did it for the first time when I was playing around with this style last week, and it stayed all day and got a lot of compliments on it. It was just a fun, easy, but elegant look. So I hope this helps. Have a great day and try some Lilla Rose. Bye. Talk to you later.